Yes guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another Roblox Vehicle Simulator video. And today I'm going to be playing Vehicle Simulator, doing up the Tesla Model X, as you can see right here, with Rainbow Unicorn Blaze. Obviously, as always, link in the description. So today we're going to be obviously doing what we do with using this, and we're going to be doing up the car and seeing who can make it the best, even though she's done up her car. You can see it's all pink. Mine's just been gotten, so yeah, it doesn't look as good as hers. Yeah, so I'll catch you back outside the garage when this thing is done up, because I think I've got a lot of potential for this car. So guys, we are back with the Tesla, and I gotta say, I think I did quite a good job of this. I think it looks really cool, and oh my goodness, we were right out into Rainbow Unicorn. So yeah, we're going to be doing what we normally do. We're going to do the drag race, the highway, and then the around the world, because that's what we always do. As you can see, I've got 11.4. Oh my. We've got 11.4 million, so maybe in the next video could possibly a 12 million car, but which one? I don't know. You guys must have to stay tuned if you want to see which one it is. So anyway, we're going to invite her to a drag race. Hopefully she accepts and not a randomer, because that's what normally happens. But yeah, I guess we can always try anyway. And she doesn't accept and we do get someone random, then yeah, I would have thought that would happen. Okay, we're going to get really beat. Whoa, we are really fast. We just beat the Celine with this. That is amazing. This thing's speed. She did actually accept, but she got into a race with a randomer, so yeah, we're just gonna join this drag race. So yeah, we're just gonna get him on with a randomer again. So here we are. Now it's a Pagani, but the acceleration on this thing is amazing. Look at that. We'll just speed it off, but obviously it's the Pagani, he's gonna catch up. Yeah, we're getting the same time as everyone. We had 5.1, now we've got 5.2, 5.2. These are really close. But anyways, I guess now we'll go do the highway, because that's literally what I just said. Wait, you know what? No, we'll do a drag race. We'll try getting in. So let's see. Drag race. Right here. I think we're in one with her. I think we're in one. Come on. Please, who's got the better car? Yes! Right here, this is the big challenge. Okay, ready? Acceleration. Go, 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 go. Yes! We're winning. We're winning. Yes, 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 yes. Yes! Okay, so it looks like we won the drag race with a very good race indeed. Obviously just get the better acceleration, but this car for 160k for a drag race, I nearly said quarter mile then, time like that is just unbelievable. Because we were able to again, and looks like we got 4 out of 18 this time. This is going to be a challenge. I can't wait to see who will win. And okay, I just saw that stuck there. Can we land it? Okay, that is good. Oh yes, Tesla v Tesla. Let's go. Look at its acceleration, just goes flying away from all the other cars. This is going to be a competition and a half. For some reason, when like we're in races, we can't see the other people's actual nitrous. It's weird. I don't know why you can't see it. It only seems like in around the world, because I can't never really see them unless they just don't use them. And I'm just like the only one who has it. But 9 times out of 10, well, 9.99999 times out of 10, everyone does have nitrous, unless obviously you have played the game up. Yeah, they've just got to the soccer stadium right there. We got to pull off a nice turn here, so we can't be on the map that long. Looks like we did. We just used the wall to bounce our car off. So yeah, that's always a good tactic. Tips from me. Yes, Riser Gaming. Yeah, tips. Not really. Ah, no, that's not a tip. Please do not do that. You won't win a race if you do that. Well, I like this car's turning, but for me, obviously the best car with turning, well, it's not obviously, but what I always use, 91 seconds, embarrassing, but what I always use is the Grand GTR. Yeah, because it's so overpowered. I love it. Its turning is so good. We're just about to hit 11.6 as well, just to end off the video. If we can hit 11.6, that would be amazing. Let's just try getting a bit of speed up, then we're going to stop. Go. Okay, here we are. Okay, this is the massive moment. No. Okay, 11.6 mil. Well, we're just making like £1 every time now. So guys, I'm going to end off the video there. If you did enjoy this video, smash that like button and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.